Hello and welcome back to Hard Reset Info. In this video, I will show you how to fix your auto brightness not working on ALCATEL 3. Let's begin. First, we want to simply make sure that our auto brightness is indeed enabled. We can do that by expanding our control center. And as you can see, we have right next to brightness bar a little A. If we click on it, you will notice that now it's set to automatic, which will for some reason immediately bump up our values. But we can always disable it and lower it down back. Alternatively, we can head into settings, head into display, and right here we have adaptive brightness, which we can enable for the same effect. And once again, we can disable it. So if it's not working for you, you want to simply make sure that it's enabled. And to fix any further bugs that you might encountered, I would advise you to just reboot your device. You can do that by simply pressing the power button for a moment and then hitting restart. And let's hit OK. I know that this may seem kind of silly, but whenever you reboot your device, you're not only rebooting the software, but hardware as well, including sensors that are directly responsible for detecting light levels around you and then using that information for auto or adaptive brightness feature. Anyway, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.